What's going on, YouTube? Yes, Dan, back again with another video for you guys. We got the Air Jordan 4 Craft medium olives on deck. I'm about to give you guys a detail review on the on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload videos like these. Dope colorway right here, guys. Definitely dope for the fall. I'm gonna show you guys how they look on feet. I'm gonna show you guys the quality so you guys could decide if you want to pick them up or not. But yeah, all around, I must say these are pretty impressive in person. All right, let's just jump straight into it, man. Big shout out to Chicago Imperium. Their information will be in the description below if you need sneakers. All right, take a look at the box. We got a box with the flight in the olive color. Take a look at the size tag. Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Craft. The colorway is medium olive pale vanilla. Inside the box, your regular paper, and that is it. As everyone knows, they released the Air Jordan 4 Craft, the gray pair. I must say I like this pair a lot. Think it might be a little better than the gray pair in my opinion. But yeah, you can see the whole shoe got a lot of different materials. We got some suede, nubuck. We even got a little bit of leather over here on the side that I'm gonna show you guys right now. Let's get into it. Start off with the outsole, with the black, with that pale vanilla, with the white. Very, very nice. On the front of the toe box, you can see, look at that nubuck. It does change when you rub it, so you know there's some really good quality materials on here. Front of the toe, we do got the suede now. Now you can see the suede is very nice, and it's a soft suede. What's also crazy about the shoe is they don't have the netting. No netting on the side over here. It's just in that suede material, and you got like the little rigids as if the netting was there. That's the craftsmanship that they try to put together, you know. Got your olive laces going up on the tongue. You do got suede on the tongue. Pale vanilla Jumpman with the flight. Coming up on the side of the shoe, we got white on the midsole with the black. Air bubble unit clear. Now this is where the wing, I said it's like, it feels like a leather material. Look closely, you see that? It's definitely like in a leather material. Got your suede, nubuck over here in that olive. You got your non-netting area right there with your little patch over here. I must say, I love the colorway, man. And you got to see them in person. Medial, same as the lateral. You got white on the midsole, following with the black. Air bubble unit clear. You got your olive green in that nubuck with the suede going towards the front. Now this side, you got the suede on the upper, but when you're on this side, you got the nubuck on the upper. I don't know if y'all can see that. You see that? Suede right there, nubuck right there. This is what they call in the craft. As for sizing, I do recommend you guys go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. Back, we got the pale vanilla Jumpman back there. Pull tab. Now, it is kind of translucent, this back. You can see through it a little bit with your olive green in the back. Behind the tongue, Air Jordan upside down. Inside the shoe, got the pale Jumpman in there with the black inner sole, sock liner in black. And man, I must say, these are very, very nice, guys. I'm not going to steer you the wrong way. Very nice for the fall, something different, you know what I'm saying? I love the olive green colorway. I'm about to throw on some olive pants so you guys can get a nice look at them, see if you guys like them or not. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Is this a cop? Is it a pass? Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Subscribe to the channel. Got more videos to come. I love all my day ones I love you all, man. I love everybody, man. So hit that thumbs up for your boy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.